Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is David with Side of Tech, and in today's video, we're gonna go over my long-term review of the MX Master 3 mouse for Mac. The mouse is currently going for $99.99, so we're gonna go over and see if the value is worth it. We're gonna be going over key features, pros and cons, and also my overall conclusions, just to see if the product is worth it for you guys. And if all that sounds good, please let me go ahead and earn your subscription, and go ahead and support the channel by liking and subscribing down below. And also, follow me on Instagram at Side of Tech, and there I post videos and photos of everyday tech items that I use. And without any further delay, let's go ahead and check it out. Meet the Logitech MX Master 3, a creator's dream mouse. The Mac version here features an exclusive space gray color and is perfect for those who really want to match their existing Apple products. One of the best features is the magnetic scrolling wheel. It lets you scroll normally, but whenever you want to scroll even faster, go ahead and just flick it. And whenever you're trying to get through that 500-page essay, go ahead and click the top button and you can go ahead and scroll through the whole thing. Logitech made it really easy to switch between multiple devices. All you have to do is just press one of the number buttons and you'll go ahead and connect to the next device. The mouse's ergonomic shape really conforms to your hand and it just feels like it belongs there. And whenever using this for very long hours, my hand never cramps up, nor do I feel any type of pain whenever working on long work sessions like video editing or photo editing. The mouse features USB-C charging with an impressive 70 days on a full charge, and an even more impressive 3 hours with a 1-minute charge. That is incredible. Unlike other mice, this mouse comes with app-specific customizations via the Logitech Options app. All you have to do is enable the app-specific button, and you can customize any featured app in the Logitech Options application. The last key feature we're going to go over is the DPI sensor on the mouse. Basically, you can use this mouse on almost any type of surface, whether that's a matte desktop, just like the mat I have here. And with that Darkfield 4000 DPI sensor, you can even use it on felt and also glass. And even on tracking on those tricky type of surfaces, this thing is crazy accurate. You can get pinpoint accuracy. The Logitech Options app is a huge plus, and being able to customize features in Final Cut Pro, Lightroom, etc. really comes in clutch. Being able to fine-tune every single gesture that the mouse offers creates a really good workflow. The battery life is huge on this mouse, and I personally have only charged this mouse about 2 times, and I've owned this mouse for about 6 months. So battery life will not be a problem. And if you're ever in a pinch, go ahead and charge it for about a minute and you'll get about 3 hours of battery time. Not only is the battery a huge pro in my book, let's talk about the ergonomic feel of the mouse, which is definitely one of its strongest features. Accessing all the gesture buttons on the mouse is really simple. All you have to do is use your right thumb and you can access the thumb wheel. You can also access 2 clickable programmable buttons and also a gesture button. And all of these buttons are easily programmable in the Logitech Options app. Being able to customize your mouse is one of the biggest pros. And can we just talk about how easy the thumb wheel makes editing in Final Cut Pro? The thumb wheel is definitely my favorite part of this mouse, and I find it really hard using any type of mouse without a thumb wheel. And even though we have all these positives, let's look at some of the negatives. Now, although the thumb wheel is my favorite feature of the mouse, I couldn't help but notice that the thumb wheel sometimes over scrolls in certain applications like Final Cut. And this gets really annoying, especially if you're editing for very long periods of time. But at least the main wheel doesn't have this problem, so you can easily work over it. And also, since the mouse uses Bluetooth instead of a dongle, you can also experience some dropouts. But when you're in the middle of an important project, it can get very annoying. And the last issue I'll bring up is the differences between the MX Master 3 for the Mac and between the original. They're basically the same thing, except for the Mac version has a space gray exclusive color. And as you can see here, the Mac version only has an option for Bluetooth, while the original version has an option for Bluetooth and also dongle. So maybe get the original if you don't care about the color. Alright, and who do I recommend this product for? And why does every YouTuber swear by this product? I recommend this mouse for anyone who's willing to use the functionality, so that's why I really recommend the product to creators, just because they're the ones who can really take advantage of everything the mouse offers. That could be someone who photo edits, does YouTube videos, video editing, stuff like that. And also I recommend the product to anyone who works from home, and even for normal everyday users, I also recommend the mouse. But just keep in mind, it's more of a luxury product, a luxury upgrade. And guys, I know I went over a few cons, but do the pros outweigh the cons? And I would say absolutely it does. I really cannot imagine myself not using this mouse on an everyday basis to video edit or just do everything that I do on my computer. Even with the Bluetooth connection issues that I get with the mouse from time to time, it really doesn't count as a deal breaker to me. I absolutely recommend this product to everyone who's watching this video, and this is why this is the most popular mouse amongst creators. So go ahead and pick yourself up one. I'll go ahead and leave everything down in the description below. And guys, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate all the interactions that I've had so far in my comment section, so thank you so much for everyone who does that. Go ahead and like and subscribe down below, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Side of Tech. I'm also getting a little bit more artsy on Instagram, so go ahead and check it out. All right, everyone, this was David serving you a little Side of Tech. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.